Yo, starting off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and we got our first order. This is going to be a Black Rock coffee going just under 4 miles. Hello. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too. Total for that order was $6 and change. Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one's going 6.5 miles. Total for that order was just under $10. Not bad, actually. Just got the next order. This is going to be a McDonald's, $7 going just under 3 miles.
Are you here for which one?
26F.
You have a good morning.
You
Thank
too.
You.
Looks like they already ordered some Taco Bell before that. And it also looked like somebody took a big sip of that drink. It was like half gone. Just got the next order. This is Voodoo Donut going 7 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
For the record, it does say knock/ring doorbell. Hey. Cute little wiener dog there. And total was $10. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This is $9 going 4 miles, 3 items. Meet at door. What? Please drop off to security guard. He will be standing. I don't really know where this is going, so wish me luck. Yeah, I don't know where I'm going. Let's try giving him a call.
Call has been forwarded to voicemail.
Where am I supposed to be going? Please tell me where I'm supposed to be going. I said, is it beyond the yellow gate? The one that I was stuck at for like 5 minutes? What do they say? Thank you. Do I just leave it there? Is that them misunderstanding, saying that I left it there? Because I'm about to do that. It said you can leave it with the security guard. He'll be on the east side of the school, between the school and the highway. Okay, I went that way, and what do I get stopped by? A yellow gate. Anyways, I got the next order. This is gonna be Starbucks going 3.5 miles. Classic no tip. Total for that was $2 and change. Very much worth my time, right? Next up, we've got a Don Taco going less than 2 miles. Okay, thank you. Total for that was $6 and change. Not bad. It was such low mileage, I thought it was gonna be a no tip. We got the next order right away. This is Starbucks going 4.5 miles.
Is that S?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, that's on the... Is that a praying mantis? It's on the 3rd floor, by the way. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $3 and change. Really having a good time here, guys. Got the next order. This is Burgerville going 2.5 miles. Thank you. No tip on that one. Total was $3. Is this what we're doing today? Got a Carl's Jr. going 5 miles.
Alright, you're all set, hon.
Thank you.
Thank you. You have a good morning.
You too. Brother, I'm gonna lose it. No tip on that one. Total for that was $4 and change. Next order up, we've got a Chick-fil-A. This one's going 3.5 miles.
DoorDash for Shanti H. Here's that for me.
Thank you.
You have a good one.
You too. This is going all the way upstairs again. Okay, nice. They actually tipped. Total for that was $7. And we got the next order, Wendy's. Oh boy, Wendy's. This one's going 3.5 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ooh, that was actually a decent Wendy's. Total for that was $8 and change. And we got the next one right away. This is Seize the Bagel going 5.5 miles.
Hi.
Hey, I listened to your recommendation. This is the messiest I've ever had in my life. And I think there's a piece of bacon on there. I've tried it. It is, it's,
Oh, please don't rain. Please don't rain. Total for that was $7. Next order up, we've got a Carl's Jr. This one's going 4 miles. Yeah.
Thank you. You have a great day.
You too, thank you. There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good day. There we go. I think that was the best order we've had today. Total for that was $12. Thank you. Just got the next order. This is going to be Kitchen Table Cafe going 4.5 miles.
alright, 1 and 2. You're all good to go.
Thank you.
Have yourself a good one.
You too. Total for that order was $9. Next up, we've got a stacked Seize the Bagel. I believe the total mileage is going to be 5 miles.
There's that for you.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Got a feeling both of these are going to be no tips because they're really close by and it's only like 1 or 2 items per order. Okay, one of those did not tip and the other one tipped a little bit above average, so I guess that evens out. Total for those two was $12, and I think I'm gonna call it here. Current time is 10:10. Total, we're at 121. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.